Hello everyone, this is Angeline Tripavati. This week I am going to discuss about p block elements. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about p block elements definition, group names, importance, electronic configuration, oxidation state, ionization energy, metallic nature, anomalous behavior, and inert pair effect. The element belonging to group 13 to 18 of the periodic table, in which p orbital progressively filled or collectively known as p block elements. By Hund's rule, there are 6 groups in the p block, as we can have up to 6 electrons in the 3 p orbitals, that is group 13 to 18. Namely, group 13 called icosagen or boron family, group 14 called tetragen or carbon family, group 15 pictogen or nitrogen family, group 16 oxygen or chalcogen family, group 17 halogen family, group 18 noble gas or inert gas. Importance of p block elements. P block elements plays an important role in our day-to-day life. For example, aluminium plays important role in aircraft and as a conductor. Carbon is the backbone of all organic compounds. Silicon chips plays an important part in computer. Nitrogen acts as a building block of life, and molecular oxygen is a self-fuel. Also, only block which contain both non-metals, metalloids and metallic elements. Electronic configuration of p block element. P block element grouped with S block elements are called as main group elements or representative elements. Totally, there are 44 elements in S and P blocks. General electronic configuration of p block element is Ns2 Np126, where N represent principal quantum number. Therefore, general electronic configuration of group 13 to 18 includes Ns2Np1, Ns2Np2, Ns2Np3, Ns2Np4, Ns2Np5, Ns2Np6. In all these elements, while s orbitals are completely filled, their p orbitals are incomplete. They are progressively filled by the addition of one electron as we move from group 13 to 17. In group 18, both s and p orbitals are completely filled. Oxidation state. P block element shows variable oxidation state that may be positive as well as negative. It's shown by group oxidation state higher or maximum oxidation state exhibit by a p block element, that is group oxidation state equal to sum of valence electrons or sum of electrons in s and p orbitals. In halogen family, fluorine exhibit -1 oxidation state because the electrons in fluorine are strongly attracted by the nuclear charge because of the small size of a fluorine atom, and therefore removal of electrons is not possible. Also, in noble gas, it exhibits only positive oxidation state due to its stability. That is, it accepts to remove electrons, but it won't gain electrons from other element as it is more stable. So, there will be no negative oxidation state for noble gas. Ionization energy. Ionization energy is defined as the energy required to remove the most loosely bound electron from an isolated atom in the gaseous state. Losing of electron results in cation formation. Its unit is measured by kilojoule per mole. Metallic nature. Metallic nature is defined as the tendency of an element to form a cation by losing electron is known as electropositive or metallic character. In p block element, by increasing atomic number, atomic size decreases, ionization energy increases, metallic nature decreases. By increasing atomic size, ionization energy decreases, metallic character increases. In case of ionization energy, gallium, thallium, lead decreases across the group due to anomalous behavior. Anomalous behavior is a behavior that is differ from its original order and it shows different properties from other members of its group. The reason for this behavior are smaller size of the first member of the group, ionization energy and electronegativity are higher, absence of d orbitals in the valence shell. The anomalous behavior of group 13 to 17 involves group 13 boron family. Boron is a metalloid and other elements are metal. Boron shows diagonal relationship with silicon. Both are acidic in nature. Both form covalent halides that can be easily hydrolyzed. Similarly, for all halides except boron trifluoride. Group 14 carbon family. Carbon is strictly a non-metal, whereas silicon and germanium metalloids, tin and lead metals. Carbon can form multiple bonds but other elements can't. Carbon forms catenation, that is, it forms chains of bonds with itself or with other atoms, but other elements have less catenation than carbon. Group 15 nitrogen family. Nitrogen form multiple bonds but other elements can't. Nitrogen is a diatomic gas whereas other elements are solid. Group 16 oxygen family. Oxygen exists as a diatomic gas due to high electronegativity. It forms hydrogen bonds. Group 17 halogen family. All elements are non-metal. Fluorine forms hydrogen bond whereas other elements can't. It shows only -1 oxidation state whereas other elements shows +1, +3, +5 and +7 oxidation state in addition to -1. Fluorine is the strongest oxidizing agent and most reactive element. Inert pair effect. As we go down group with increasing in atomic number, the 2 electrons present in a valence s orbital became inert and only the 3 electrons present in the outermost p orbital are involved in chemical combination. This is known as inert pair effect. In p block element, group 13 to 16 exhibit inert pair effect. It is absorbed by heavier post-transition metal. Heavier means the presence of d or d and f orbitals in heavier elements starting from third period onwards. Post-transition metal means a group of elements in the periodic table. They are located to the right of the transition metal and to the left of the metalloids. It also called poor metals. For example, gallium, indium, thallium, lead, bismuth. In heavier post-transition metal, the outer electron Ns have a tendency to remain inert and shows unwilling to take part in bonding. That is, S electron is tightly bound, its electron won't involve, so it became inert. In gallium, indium, thallium, there will be the presence of d or d and f orbitals. In d orbitals do not screen nuclear charge as effective as those in s and p orbitals because of penetration, or it is diffuse in nature. So its shielding is poor, that is, it won't screen properly. From screening effect, explain the case of removal of valence electron from an atom. Also, inert pair effect helps in understanding the stability of a particular oxidation state for a particular element. For example, aluminium 3+ is more stable than aluminium +1 due to absence of d and f orbitals. In case of thallium, thallium +1 is more stable than thallium 3+ due to presence of d and f orbitals. Finally, to summarize the presentation, the element belonging to group 13 to 18 of the periodic table in which p orbital progressively filled are known as p block element. In the p block, as we have up to 6 electrons in the 3p orbitals, there are 6 groups in p block, that is group 13 to 18. P block elements plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Also, it's only block which contains both metals, non-metals and metalloids. In P block element, by increasing atomic number, atomic size decreases, ionization energy increases, metallic character decreases, or atomic size increases, ionization energy decreases, metallic character increases. As we go down with increase in atomic number, the 2 electron present in a valence s orbital became inert, and only the 3 electron present in the outermost p orbital are involved in chemical combination known as inert pair effect. In p block element, group 13 to 16 exhibit inert pair effect observed by heavier post-transition metal.